Now students, we are going to see the question answers of the lesson, The Mumbai Musicians. So on the page number 132, there are some questions. Let's see the questions. Reading is fun. Why did the farmer tell Gopu to see the world? Why did he say that, Gopu, you go and see the world? Because Gopu was very tired and old. So he said that go and see the world because Gopu was tired and old. So farmer said go and see the world. Next question. Why did Gopu, Dopu and Fari want to go to Mumbai? Why do they want to go to Mumbai? To become, they wanted to go Mumbai to become musicians. Okay. Next question. Why did the people in the house run away? Why did they run? Why these people have ran away from there? Because they thought that ghosts have come to scare them. So, because people thought that ghosts have come to scare them. Now next question. Let's talk. Let's talk. If you were to join the animal band, which animal would you want to be? Now here is a question for you. If you want to join animal band, which animal would you like to become? Create the sound of that animal. Now you have to make the sound of that animal. Get together with your friends as a group. Create the sound of the animal each one of you wants to be. So if we would be in the class, we have made this activity, but now what you will do, you will which animal you would like to become. So you have to make that animal sound and you have to say it to your parents. Now I would like to become tiger. So likewise, which animal you like to become, you have to say that animal sound. Like if I would like to become a cat, so I will say that meow meow, like this way. You have to do with your parents. Now next question. The donkey saw a ball of fur and it was a cat. If you were to see a big ball of fur, what could that be? Now here is a question that in the story donkey saw a ball of fur and it was cat. Now if you see big ball of fur, what could it be? So it could be a dog. It could be a dog. Okay. Now next page number 133. Let's see. Now let's sort out these words. Now here are some words in this basket. These two baskets are there. So you have to sort out these words according to their sound. Short sound, long sound. Short sound, long sound. So let's see. Let's sort out these words. the words from the bags and put them on the right shelf. Here are 4 shelves. So we are going to put them these words according to their sound, short sound, long sound, in the correct shelf. One has been turned for you. Say the words aloud. Now these words we are going to say aloud. Loudly we are going to say these words. Let's see. Now see. Leg, pig, nest, tree, dais, fish, seed, smile. Bell, line, hill, street, deep, kite, leap, lip, mill, well. So we are going to say these words by their sound in the column. So see, leg, short E sound. Which are the short E sound? Nest. Okay. Then leg is already given. Nest. We don't say nest. Okay. Say bell. Okay. Then again, what else? Well. Meal. You can see meal also. Meal. Okay, these are short E sound. Now short I sound means जिनका हमें ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं बोलना पड़ता. So let's see. Pig. Then what else? Fish. Then hill. No. Kite. Then line. Okay. Then long E sound. Long जो हमें देर तक उसे बोलना पड़ता है. देखो. What is given here? Deep. Now which sound is given here? Deep is already given. Pig is already given. Smile is already given. And which one is? Okay. Long E sounds. Deep. Tree. Okay. Then seed. हमें ज़्यादा देर तक बोलना पड़ेगा. Seed. Then street. Okay. So these are the words. Now smile जो है long I sounds. Long जो I के वर्ड से वो क्या है? Dais. Okay. Then hill. मीन हो गया है. Hill. और लास्ट वन है hip, lip. Hip. Okay. Now you completed this one in your book. Now next, page number 134. Page number 134. Let's write. Now you are going to write here. Do you play any musical instruments? If you play, you have to say yes. And if you don't say, no, I don't. So, do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play. Now, if you play, then only you will write yes, I play. If you don't play, so what you have to write here? No, I don't play. ये don't है वो do not भी लिख कर सकते हैं हम, do not play. Okay. Next, if no, which instrument do you want to learn? I would. Now here is a question for you. If you don't play any music instrument, so which would you like to play? So now I would like to play. I would like to play flute. ये मुझे अच्छा लगेगा प्ले करने के लिए. Which one you like to play? Last session we have seen the different types of music instruments. So which one would you like to play? I would like to play flute. Which one you would like to play? You have to write that spelling here. Next question. Add the word of the opposite gender. Now here we are going to see opposite gender in the given sentences. Now here we are going to see the opposite gender, means male and female. Now see here, I have some cards here. You can see this. Boy, girl. These are the opposite genders. You can see male and female. Male means boy and female means girl. So we are going to see the opposite gender here. Now see here, boy, girl. Okay. Sir, madam. We call teacher, but in our school we call teacher. But sir, madam. Lion, lion, lioness. जो मेल होता है लायन का उसको लायन बोलते हैं, और जो फीमेल रहती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? लायनेस. Now you can see brother, sister. आपके घर में होंगे भाई बहन, तो ब्रदर, सिस्टर. मैन, वुमन, मैन, वुमन. हस्बैंड, हस्बैंड, वाइफ, husband, wife. King, king पता है आपको? King, queen, king, queen. ये मेल रहते हैं और ये कौन रहते हैं? फीमेल. लड़की, लड़का. King, queen. टाइगर, जो मेल रहता है उसको टाइगर बोलते हैं, और जो फीमेल होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? टाइग्रेस. टाइगर, टाइग्रेस. पापा, मम्मा, पापा, मम्मा. अंकल, अंकल, आंट. अंकल आणि आंटी असतात तुमच्या बरोबर. अंकल, आंट. हीरो, हीरो, सॉरी, हीरो, heroine. These are opposite gender. We call it opposite gender. Now in this question we are going to see the opposite genders in this question. So Let's see the opposite gender. Anju's mother. Now add the word of the opposite gender in the given sentences. Now you are going to write the opposite gender of this given word. This word is written in different color. See, and you have to write its opposite gender here. Where is the place is given. Now see here, Anju's mother and Dash came to the school. What is the opposite of mother? Anju's mother and Dash came to the school. Now for this you will have to read the sentences. Anju's mother. Opposite. What is the opposite of mother? Father. Opposite of mother is father. Now you will write here this one. Anju's mother and father came to the school. Next is there, my uncle and Dash came to visit us on Monday. Now see here, I have shown you that one. My uncle. What is the opposite of uncle? Aunt. My uncle and aunt. My uncle and aunt came to visit us on Monday. Next is there, the lion and Dash looked lovingly at their cub. Now see here. Now which is the opposite gender of lion? I have shown you. Lioness. So the lion and lioness. The lion and opposite of lion is lioness. Lioness looked lovingly at their cub. The king and Dash. What is the opposite of king? Opposite of king. King, male gender. Queen, female gender. King and queen. The king and queen sat on beautiful thrones. The man is running and the Dash is walking. Now see here, man, opposite of man is woman. The man is running and the woman is walking. My grandfather and Dash went to the market. Who? Opposite gender of grandfather? Grandmother. My grandfather and my grandmother. Went to the market. These are the opposite genders. Now this is your homework. You have to write this one in your notebook. Gender. Opposite gender. Now see, let's see fun time. Now you are going to play here a game. This you have to complete in the book also, and you have to play with your brother or sister. Let's play bingo. Now the name of the game is bingo. Write any 9 words from the given list in the boxes. Put only one word in one box. Now here are the 9 words. Write any 9 words from the given list in the boxes. Okay. Now here are the words given in the circle. You are going to write 9 words in the box. Put only one word in one box. The teacher will call out any 6 words. If the word she calls out is in the box, put a cross on it. The one who crosses out all the words first shouts bingo and is the winner. Now see here. Here are some words in the circle. So among them you have to write, from here you have to write 9 words, in each box 1 word. If you write few here, beautiful here. Now in this way, one word you have to write in one box. In this way, you will write 9 words here. So teacher will call out. Now teacher is not there. So you will play yourself this game with your brother and sister. So if somebody says 6 words up to that, and your 6 words how come and how crossed. So when your cross out 6 words, so you will say that loudly, bingo, means you have won the game, this game. For that 6 words should come here and you have to cross that words. You can use 9 words, and which 9 words have crossed, that can say bingo. This game you can play with your friends at home. Now next is there. Now in both the pages 136 and 137, 2 pages are there. So here are different types of music instruments. You can see here the picture of music instruments. Nobody has drawn the music instruments and sent me on the WhatsApp. So this is your homework. You have to see these music instruments and you have to draw. Let it be how it is, but you have to try and draw the music instruments. Here, in what way are these musical instruments different from each other? Put them into 3 groups based on how they are played. Now see, here you can see, here are different types of musical instruments. You can see here. Now see here are different types of music instrument. First one is tabla, second one is sitar, next flute, this is guitar, dafli, iktara, shehnai, violin, and this is dholak. So among these, which are the simple? Likewise, tabla, flute, shehnai, dholak, iktara, you can draw in your notebook. Not this violin and guitar, you can't draw sitar like this. I understand that. But which you can draw? Tabla, flute, iktara, shehnai, and dholak. These musical instruments you have to draw in your notebook and send it on my WhatsApp. So here are the music instruments. Some music instruments are played by string, some by blowing like this way, some are with string like this way, and based on, see here, in what musical instruments. So here are 3 circles. Instruments that you play with fingers, जो फिंगर रहते हैं उनसे आप यूज करते हैं, आप फिंगर यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि गिटार और गिटार और वायोलिन जो है, हम वहाँ पर क्या यूज करते हैं, फिंगर. और स्ट्रिंग इंस्ट्रुमेंट्स, स्ट्रिंग मीन जिसको मराठीमध्ये आपण दोरा म्हणतो त्याला. स्ट्रिंग इंस्ट्रुमेंट्स कोणकोणते आहेत, तर सितार. देन इंस्ट्रूमेंट दैट यू ब्लो, हमें वहाँ पर क्या करना पड़ता है, ब्लो करना पड़ता है. ऐसे करके कौन से हैं यहाँ पर लिखने हैं, जो हम फिंगर से बजाते हैं यहाँ पर लिखने हैं, और जो हम स्ट्रिंग जो दोरा रहता है उसको जब हम छेड़ते हैं तो वो जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है यो इधर लिखने हैं. सो लेट्स सी, यू हैव टू राइट फ्रॉम हियर. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. ओके. Now next, page number 138. page number 138. This is the picture of a musical instrument called a Jalatarang. Now here is a game for you, and there is a music instrument, and that is Jalatarang. We can make it at home also. Now see here, make your own Jalatarang. Now you are going to make this own Jalatarang at your home. Get 6 to 10 balls of the same size and shape. Now you are going to take 6 or maybe 10. Take 6 bowl, म्हणजे वाट्या. You take same size bowls. Okay. Pour water into the bowls. Keep the water at different level. Now see here. You will take first 6 bowls in same shape and size. Okay. Then afterwards you will pour water. आप उसमें पानी डालेंगे, पर कैसे? That you have to pour it in different levels. Means एक में थोड़ा ही पानी होगा, एक में ज़्यादा पानी होगा, एक में मिडल साइज तक पानी होगा. In different 6 bowls you will pour different levels water. वहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है? डिफरेंट लेवल वाटर भरना है. किसमें? 6 बोल में 6 डिफरेंट लेवल वाटर होगा. सो क्या होगा? यूज 2 पेंसिल्स एंड स्ट्राइक द रिम ऑफ द बॉल्स टू मेक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. नाउ यू विल हैव 2 पेंसिल्स इन 2 हैंड्स. यू विल हैव 2 पेंसिल्स इन योर 2 हैंड्स एंड यू विल व्हाट यू विल डू? स्ट्राइक. आप जो रिम रहती है बॉल की, जो ये जो हिस्सा है, वहां पर आप क्या करेंगे? बजाएंगे, स्ट्राइक करेंगे. तो क्या होगा? डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ साउंड विल कम. व्हाई? बिकॉज द लेवल ऑफ वाटर इज डिफरेंट, सो दैट विल बी Jalatarang. दिस विल बी द म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट. यू आर गोइंग टू प्ले दिस Jalatarang गेम और Jalatarang म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एट योर होम. यू आर गोइंग टू मेक इट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The word Jalatarang made up of 2 words. Now you can see here is the word Jalatarang, and it is made from 2 words. Which 2 words are there? Jala, and Jal means water and Tarang means music. These 2 words are there. Which 2 words are there? Jala and Tarang. Now make new words by joining 2 words. Now 2 words are given, so we are going to join them. Different 2 words are given, we are going to make them together and we are going to make new word from these 2 words. One has been done for you. Now one is done. News plus paper, newspaper. School plus bag, school bag. Next, toothpaste. Tooth plus paste, toothpaste. Now next word, neck plus lace, necklace. Next, some plus one, someone. Next, bath plus room, bathroom. क्या होगा दोनों का वर्ड? बाथरूम. Next, time plus table, time table. Next, foot plus ball, football. Next, car plus pet, carpet. Okay. Now in this way we have completed this unit number 8. Now you are going to complete this unit in your book. Okay.